Everyone's obsessed with viral cleaning products, but do they actually work better than professional tools? I'm testing both side by side, and the results will shock you. I've got the most popular viral cleaning products from TikTok and Instagram versus the actual tools professionals use every day. Same mess, same conditions, let's see who wins. Round 1, stubborn stains. The viral scrubber takes forever, but the professional tool cuts right through in seconds. Round 2, grease removal. The viral product barely makes a dent, while the professional grade dissolves it instantly. Round 3, time test. This is where it gets interesting. The viral products took 3 times longer for half the results. The verdict? Viral products work for light cleaning, but professionals use these tools for a reason. Want results like the pros? Our team at Bear Brothers Cleaning uses only professional-grade tools and techniques that actually work. Call us today at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com.